Kublai phi baro gini gilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. National President ka National People's Party NPP Parliamentary Rangba ka Jila Meghalaya Conrad K.Sangma ha ga jingna ikran shkilat pathai khubor ha office ka NPP ha pulo ula panchai chapang bun ki kam siyasan bar ka jingya dei ka pisa jung ka sarkar jila. Kani galong hadin ka jingkan no jung President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ba Vincent H. Pala ubala kamba ka NPP ka le ban pinpra ne penyapan iki sengi ba persha iki BJP ha ka than chate lammi ngi ki Congress ki la pra lupa omdon kam issue ban phya ha ba jubab tanat yakini ki jingkan no Conrad Sangma U ba ki kan tien jung president ka MPCC ki long ka e ka bas new min sim bat ka bam dei shisha ban kran na ka ba bet omdon kam issue ban phya iki ki la pra hi hapo jongki ong usangma ulo ong rubakat nu kat nu ki Nongialam Congress ken long kombalaya ringkat hakmat pajba andrei hapo ki pajba ka parti ka jusyam da ka jingya paj kadang jur ngimdei ban kran kat nu ngadon ka jingya kran bat bun naki hakmat pajba ki shonglang bat kran nang andrei hapo manna uwe udon laki benta bat laki jingthu kumta omdon kamingi ban phya iki ula ban ram Umentri rangba uong ru ba ka thong jung ka NPP kam dei ban tuklan la ne ban pensi yakiwe hanei ban wanra ka jingya tali ba ka jingya trilang ha ka than ngimwan ban ben kulmar ikiwe ka jingthu jungi kalong ban ai ka khubor ka ba positive ka than north east kala ban ki utang lada ki jilla ba ki pat ye trilang ulong ha ka benta ka pisa president ka congress suthu yaki number ha ba jubab halor ka jing kno ba ka jilla ka jan shakta ha ka jing bambiang ka pisa u Conrad Sangma U ba president ka MPCC suthu shaphankar company pisa ha ka jilla Ula batai halai benta ka sarkar India ka bu kendon baklan halor ka bai siu kot jung ki jilla bar ka Meghalaya kadang ne hapo kata ka kendon Kumba nyo po person jung ka jingkiu ka jila ki snem bladem ka wan na ka jinglum pisa jung ka sarkar jalahi ki scheme World Bank ADB bar ki wegi project jung ki external aided projects EAP ki jubut ikrukam siu khandai po shipo hakaba khandai po person ka ka grant na ka sarkar India shipo person ka ka benta siu jung ka jilla haki wei par ki scheme ka rukam siu ka long prapo arpo hakaba arpo person ka by NPP President ki keno Congress kalong tang ka jingpin po jingmut.
So number one is that challenges will always be there, and challenges means opportunities also. So hence, when I say challenges, we hope that we'll be able to convert those challenges into opportunities and grow as a party. Manipur state is going through difficult and challenging times. And because of the local situation and the situation, especially in the last 2.5 years, and the overall law and order situation, there's been a lot of political instability and political turmoil also. And hence we feel that under these challenging circumstances, the party under the leadership of Dr. Loro will be organized to take on those challenges and more importantly convert them, as I said, into opportunities for the party as a whole. Regarding the statements that have been made by our senior leaders, we respect all the comments by all our senior leaders. Our party is a democratic party. We believe in voice being given out or views being expressed as a positive thing. But at the end of the day, we all work together and come to the consensus and move forward with whatever decision ultimately that the party takes. And as I said, while the comments and that have been made by senior party leaders, we have no comments on that. We respect every single party leader who is with us, and I'm sure that whoever has any kind of concerns will be committed towards seeing the party grow at the overall larger extent, and will work with the party together. At the same time, regarding different issues about the territorial aspect and other issues, I think the party has been very clear. We are a party that is a very secular party. We believe in working for all the communities in the state as well as in the region. And we have always believed in that principle while we even organize and form the party. So therefore, there's no question of looking at it in any communal line or any way in which we are trying to leave out any particular community as such. So therefore, let me assure the people, in this, especially in the state of Manipur, that we are here to work for the people of Manipur state and different communities that are there. We will engage with everybody, and we will look at the larger interest of the state of Manipur, and of course the larger interest of the Northeast region as a whole, as we build up the party, not just in Manipur but in the entire Northeast region.
Coming to Shillong, saying that government is leading the state to.
No, I read the statement about what the MPCC had mentioned, saying that it is working towards dividing the non BJP votes. That's what I recall that he said. The point is that, to be very blunt, nobody needs to work to divide them. They're already divided. So the Congress is completely divided within. You have differences. They may be sitting on the same table and talking, but internally they have their own plans separately. We are in quite touch with many of them, to be very frank. So it's an internally divided house already. So they don't need us to further divide them as such. So it's quite unfortunate that the MPCC president has made a comment like that. But it's okay. That is their personal view and opinion. For us as a party, we are very clear, and we have said it very openly, that we are not here to fight against anybody. Neither are we here to oppose anybody. We are here from a positive perspective to unify and send a message of unity for the region as a whole. We have always stressed that we believe that the Northeast states and communities must work together in the larger interest of the region, because when it comes to political space, it is only when we are united and present a united front, that's the only way we are able to ensure that we are able to carry our message across and always serve our people in a much more better manner. So we are here to give a positive message. We are not here to be negative or to break anybody or to fight against anybody. We are only here to serve the people of our communities and of the states and of the region as a whole.
Coming to the
So,
loan
but when we
aspect,
look at
the loan.
I have repeated this again and again. I don't know, maybe the MPCC president is not able to understand the different financial numbers that I'm explaining. But I've explained this many times. I've shown the growth of the state. We have been very clear that when it comes to loan, Government of India has got its mechanism, and Finance Ministry and the RBI has got its mechanism to ensure that no state can take any loan that is beyond a certain level. We are very much within that level, number one. Number two, if you look at the overall growth story of the state of Meghalaya, you will see that almost 70% of the funds that are used for the growth have come from the internal revenue of the state itself. So maximum growth and maximum revenue has come, and maximum expenditure has come from our own state revenue. Third of all, the different loans that the MPCC may be referring to, which is the World Bank loans and the ADB loans and the externally aided project loans. Again, for the sake of explanation, I will explain that number one, it's on a 90-10 ratio. So 10%, it's an 80-20 ratio in terms of the loan and the amount that we are supposed to pay upfront. So 20% state government pays upfront. 80% is the loan component. Out of this 80% of loan component, 90% is grant from the central government, and Government of Meghalaya has to repay back only 10%. And hence, if you look at the entire calculation, 72% is repaid back by central government. 28% is paid by the state government, which has to be paid in advance upfront. So the question of this being financed through debt does not arise at all. So therefore, The MPCC president is trying to mislead the people, which is quite unfortunate. They are seeing the growth and they're not finding any way to counter the growth that is taking place, and hence they are misleading the people, which is highly unfortunate. And I would appeal to them that they should understand the finances before they speak and make such comments. No, I see. These are things. These are political aspects, which, of course, only when time is appropriate that will come out. But we are good friends. We are always, we have always discussed politics together, and we have always, had many discussions. But I think right now to jump to a conclusion that you'll be joining and all is, I think, a bit premature right now. It's not the appropriate time to discuss all of these things. There is a lot of politics that happens. Many people from my side, last time I think it was yourself or somebody was talking to me and telling me that some NPP MLAs plan to leave. And I had asked you that time, please give me the name of those NPP MLAs. I'll talk to them and convince them that they should not leave. So this happens in politics. So there's a lot of talk, discussions, it takes place. But I think at the end of the day, let's see how things unfold. And when the final time comes, we'll let you know.